Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
It has been a beautiful day, really from start to finish, all across North Alabama. Our temperatures right now, mainly in the mid to upper 60s. You've got one more day just about as nice before that risk for severe weather is back on Thursday, which we will talk extensively about in just a second. But here's where we are: 66 degrees in Huntsville, 68 right now in Muscle Shoals, 65 in Decatur and in Athens, 63 in Scottsboro, Gunnersville, and in Fort Payne. It's also the case up in Fayetteville. Look at the difference in temperatures from this same time yesterday. It's about a 10-degree warm up in Huntsville, Decatur, Muscle Shoals. Temperatures even tomorrow, maybe a degree or two warmer than today. It's still warm on Thursday, but that's not exactly a good thing because we've got warmer temperatures combined with more humid air, an approaching cold front. We're setting the stage for that severe risk. Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network showing a quiet picture. We're going to keep it that way tonight. We'll keep it mostly clear, actually. Temperatures not as cold. A wind still mainly out of the southeast overnight will help keep that milder air pumped into North Alabama, so it's 46 degrees by 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. At our coolest, we're talking low 40s for lows. Future radar the rest of this evening into tonight. There's 8 o'clock now all the way into Wednesday morning. Few passing clouds through the first part of the day. You will see some sunshine tomorrow, but really during the afternoon, those clouds start thickening up and it's kind of a gloomy second half of the day. This data source is keying in on maybe a shower or two. Got to say that I think we're going to be still a little bit too dry for those to make much of an impact, in the sense that a lot of it's not going to reach the ground. Give it time, though, and as that humidity continues to increase in the lower levels of the atmosphere, that's when we'll start to have some real showers taking shape here, in the sense that we will have rain reaching the ground. This is what we wake up to Thursday morning. Your morning commute may be dodging a few raindrops here and there. The bulk of the action really starts to pick up during the afternoon Thursday, but tomorrow from the morning all through the evening, temperatures are pretty much above average. 54 degrees already by 9 o'clock, highs in the mid to upper 60s. We are still in the lower 60s by 7 o'clock. Lows tomorrow night, they're only in the 50s. But here's that big storm system that we're watching for you. We're picking back up at 7 o'clock Thursday morning. Morning showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. Now watch this approaching cold front as we go through 2:30 Thursday afternoon, and look at all of the rain and maybe even a few thunderstorms that are still in place. This is going to play a big role in the kind of instability that we're going to have available for any severe storms once this front rolls in. So we're watching this pretty closely. Any morning activity, morning cloud cover is going to help mitigate and lower that amount of instability that will be available to fuel those thunderstorms. That's one aspect of the forecast that is going to be very important to monitor and make adjustments as needed because of that. Now here's the cold front just off to our west by 7:30 Thursday evening. Something else that I've noticed in the data sources is this is slowing down just a touch. Regardless, threats that we're expecting: damaging straight line winds, 60 to 70 miles per hour within any lines of storms moving through. 1 to 2 tornadoes, yeah, it's a possibility. All of us are going to get a quick burst of pretty heavy rain coming through. That cold front's pretty much out of here by midnight, and then the severe threat is out of here, colder air rushing in behind that. Just to give you an idea of who is seeing the greatest risk of severe weather, mainly along and west of I-65, that's a level 2 out of 5 on the scale from the Storm Prediction Center. It's a slight risk. Everyone shaded in yellow, that's a 1 out of 5, a marginal risk from the Storm Prediction Center. That's the case farther east. Once we are through with Thursday's severe threat, it does get chilly, highs only in the upper 40s on Friday. We warm up pretty quickly. Meantime, while the weather is nice, I want you to take the time to make sure you got that severe weather plan ready to go for Thursday in the event that any tornado warnings are issued.